Like, how do I do that? And then basically, how do I go about reaching out to them? You know, what type of marketing is going on there?
Yeah. So you can start for free, but it's like anything, right? It's going to take a lot longer. I'll tell you that.
Yeah.
So yeah, you can start for free. So the classic start for free method is just like in real estate investing, they preach on bigger pockets, driving for dollars, right? So if you truly want to start for free and you want to call on your own, I try to find the most distressed properties. That's going to be the highest chance that you'll actually find a deal because it is a numbers game. But say you drive around your neighborhood and you get 200 really distressed properties, right? Roof looks bad, the siding's falling off, mailbox is full, grass is high, things like that. Put those on a Google spreadsheet, right, with all the property addresses. And if you want to do it for free, you could use truepeoplesearch.com and you could manually enter those addresses and put the numbers in. Or you could pay 15 cents a record and use batch skip tracing, significantly better data, and you'd only have to spend what, $30 for 200 leads at 15 cents a pop?
Yeah.
$30. So that's just a no-brainer for me because the data is so much more accurate.